Hello everyone, this is Professor M.S. Kuite, Assistant Professor of Department of Agricultural Entomology, Kekewa College of Agriculture, Nasik. In last lecture, we see the adult characteristics of bioagents, and in our today's lecture, we will see the different or successful examples of the biological control. First is the first example is sugarcane pyrrhilla, that is Pyrrhilla perfusilla. There was a severe outbreak of sugarcane pyrrhilla during the 1972 to 73 in the states of Punjab, Haryana, UP and Bihar, which was successfully controlled by the utilization of potential biocontrol agents like the egg parasitoid Tetrastichus pyrrhili and nymphal predator, that is Epipyrifos melanoleica. So this pest in Karnataka was successfully controlled by its potential biocontrol agent. So this is the first example, sugarcane pyrrhilla, and which is controlled by using the nymphal predator, that is Epipyrifos melanoleica, and egg parasitoid, that is Tetranicus pyrrhili. Then second successful example is sugarcane Vituli aphid, that is Ceratogacuna lanigera. This pest of sugarcane was also successfully managed by bioagents like Diphypediora, Chrysoperla species, and cochineal beetles, and also syrphid flies and some spiders in the states of Maharashtra and Karnataka, where its outbreak during the 2003 to 4 had caused considerable economic damage to the farmers. Then this is the image of different successful example of biological control. First is Epipyrifos melanoleica. This is the nymphal parasitoid. Then second is the Diphypediora for the control of Vituli aphid. Then fourth successful example is Apollouli aphid, that is Eriosema lanigerum, and Sanjoscale, that is Quadraspidiotus perniciosus. These two dreaded pests of apple plants are under check by their bioagents like Aphelinus mali and Sarphus confractor. In case of Apollouli aphid and Incarcia perniciosi, Aphates species Chilocorus bidiosus, then Pharoschema species. In case of Sanjoscale, in apple growing state of the country. Then next is the water hyacinth, that is Ichronia crassicep. This aquatic weeds was successfully controlled in the southern state of India through its two exotic phytophagous weevils, that is Neochotina ichronia and Neochotina brucci. The next example is American bollworm, that is gram pod borer, or gram caterpillar, that is Helicoverpa armigera. And this is the polyphagous pest, and this pest was successfully managed with the use of nuclear polyhedrosis virus on cotton, pulses, vegetable oilseeds in India. So this is the different images of successful example of different parasitoid and or different biological control agent. First is Aphelinus mali, then second is Incarcia perniciosi, then Neochotina ichronia, and last one is Neochotina brucci. Then next is aphids. An example of biological control is the release of parasitic wasps to control for the aphids. Aphids are the pest of plants and cause a huge damage to the plants as they remove nutrients from the plant. In this way, the rapid population will decrease quickly. And then next is the entomopathogenic nematodes to control vine weevil, that is Heterorhabditis bacteriophora. Nematodes are used to control the pest such as a vine weevil. Their control effect is helped by releasing bacteria into the soil which attack the vine weevil. Then next example is Sclerotina sclerotium, controlled by fungal spores. Soil application of fungal spores of Coniothyrum miniatans, it used to destroy the surviving structure of the common plant pathogen, that is Sclerotina sclerotium. So this is the Aphidinus colimani and Heterorhabditis bacteriophora. So these are the different successful example of biocontrol agent or the natural enemies. Thank you.